Hey guys, Steve here. In today's video, what I want to show you is how you can start generating $10 over and over again by simply referring people to a free viral list building platform. Yes, I said earn $10, and yes, I said by referring to a free platform, and I'll show you. It's quite simple, and this is actually an update to an existing platform called the List Infinity. Now, the List Infinity has allowed me to make over $2,400 exactly, not over 24. And I'll show you a screenshot real quick, just so you can I'll show you proof. It was a screenshot that I took the other day. My back office here. Let's scroll back, and I drove 3,083 clicks, 1,327 leads, 24 sales for $2,400. 315 leads were passed up to me. 7 sales were passed up, meaning that the leads that were passed up, I eventually converted into a sale, right? So every 5th lead gets passed up, and I converted them through my email sequence, through me emailing and communicate in the follow-up, right? The fortune is in the follow-up. From the follow-up, I generated 7 sales from those leads that were passed up for me, and that was $700, which is included in this $2,400 total. So anyway, that's proof that I have made money with the List Infinity platform. So with that being said, when I say that you can start earning $10 over and over again, you can definitely do it, because this platform is really about that life, right? So what it is a viral list builder. But what I want to show you is how you can start generating $10 commissions over and over again using it for free. Okay, so when you click the link below, you're going to create a free account. You're going to come to this screen just like this. You're going to create an account. Then you're going to click the sign up button, right? You're going to look for my name. It'll be my name. You'll enter your information, right? And then you'll create your free account. You'll come here, you'll log into the back office, and you'll immediately be presented with this. Now, this screen is what you'll see every time as a free member, every time you log in. So if you promote this and give this to a person for free, every time they log in, they're going to see this. Now let's read it together, right? Congratulations. You now qualify for instant $10 payments. When you upgrade to Lead Pay, which is this $10 platform, you'll earn $10 for every person you refer to List Infinity. Wow. So basically, whoever you refer to List Infinity, which is a free platform, you can generate $10 in commission instantly, direct pay, as you can see through PayPal or Stripe, right? So for every person you refer to List Infinity who also upgrades to this same platform, this same part of List Infinity, which is called Lead Pay, payments are sent instantly to your Stripe or PayPal account. Plus, your referral will pass up every 5th lead to you. And if they upgrade to Lead Pay, which pays that $10, you'll get paid $10. Now think about the power of 10, right? $10 times 5 people. You refer it to 5 people, they all join. That's $50, a quick 50 for giving away a free system. Let's make that 10, a 10 by 10, right? 10 times 10, that's $100. Let's say 20. That's 200, 30, 300, 40, 400, right? So that's the power of 10. All for a $10 investment, all for referring a free opportunity. You can start generating your very first commissions today, right? So by the end of the week, you could be up like $300-400, right? So anyway, plus your referrals will pass up every 5th lead to you, and if they upgrade to Lead Pay, you can get paid $10. However, if you don't join Lead Pay, all of your $10 sales will pass up to your sponsor, right? So upgrade to Lead Pay for a one-time fee of just $10. And I'll show you, it goes directly to me, right? This is me, it goes to my PayPal. They would have to pay me $10, right? Or it would go to my Stripe, which they would have to pay me $10. So it's direct pay directly to me, right? So that's awesome. So as a free member, they would have an option to join that. If not, they can just continue to use the platform as a free member. And as you can see, this is the free back office. It also says it can get better, right? If you upgrade to Pro, not just the Lead Enlist Infinity refer affiliate, right, to get paid those $10 commissions. But if you upgrade it to Pro, not only can you make the $10 up front, you can also make the $100 instant commissions, right? And I'll show you real quick in a few minutes what that $100 Pro membership entails. But first, let's talk about the free membership here. So the free membership, you get the same features. You get your affiliate link, which is here. You set it up. You get your free autoresponder, which can be Aweber, GetResponse, or Traffic Wave. But this is a free system. It helps you build your list, and you get every 5th lead passed up to your sponsor, and also from who you refer, you'll get every 5th lead passed up to you. Not sale, only lead, right? You get a customized bridge page where you can add a picture. You can import the email campaigns, a 30-day email sequence into Aweber, right? You'll have to copy them one at a time and GetResponse. I have GetResponse, so I just copied and pasted them in. I did 5, like, you know, so you don't got to sit and do 30 every in one sitting or whatever, right? So then once you get down to here, step 4, you click set up your payment processor. Boom. You can't do it because you did not join Lead Pay, right? So that's the problem here, right? If you want to start generating money with the system, you have to set up your payment processor. But in order to do that, you have to pay that basically admin fee, right? That one-time $10 get you in. But that's the same way that you're also going to make those $10. If you want to activate additional income stream, because I can tell you this is an income stream that you can plug your affiliate link into. This is your affiliate link, and this is also your affiliate link. But you cannot do that until you actually upgrade, right? You have to upgrade. So other than that, it's just a free system that you can generate $10. So basically, you'll be my affiliate. You join for free, right? You promote it for free to build your list. You're spreading my affiliate links, and anybody that joins will be paying me, right? Or you come in at the lead leap level, you promote the system, make those $10 commissions building your list. And if you're happy with that, you're happy with that. But these links will be the links of your sponsor if you never upgrade to Pro, right? So just keep that in mind. So also in this free membership, you get these done for you capture pages, high converting. You get solo ad secrets here, which is a breakdown of how you can use solo traffic successfully. But also I wanted to show you here that these links here are also affiliate links, right? And they are the affiliate links of your sponsor. So why not just upgrade all the way so that they can be your affiliate links so when you promote the system. You get an ad Rolodex, which is also Udemy, right? Where you can earn commissions off of. Facebook marketing secrets, right? Private Facebook group access. Tells you how you can use different things to promote your business on Facebook for free, generating free traffic. Here are promotional tools where you get free 60 posts, another 30 posts, and 100 Facebook groups that you can promote in for free. Also, you get some Facebook covers and banners and things like that so you can promote list infinity opportunity. Here's where your referrals are that you have access to. As you can see, to 0 because this is just my my making a video account. My stats, I got 2 clicks because I believe I clicked on my old link, and that's what that is. And he actually reset the stats when he just upgraded. Also, the pro videos, you cannot have access because you are not a upgraded member. And it all starts with that one $10 investment, and then from there, you'll see where the system will take you. So that's awesome, right? So as a free member, this is all the access you will get, and you can generate $10 over and over and over again. So anyway, that's all I wanted to show you. Well, wait, there's more. So that is the basic account, the free account. And if you upgrade it to Lead Pay to get that $10 commissions over and over again, this is all that you'll have access to. Now, let me jump over to, let me show you something here. Let me show you something. So let's go to lead pages here. Let me go here. I just want to show you what the pro membership is, right? I want to show you what you get if you upgrade to the pro. If you upgrade to the pro, you can get $100 commissions, 100%, the same way the system works, but you'll get access to additional features, additional resources, and additional bonuses, right? So you'll get $100 commissions, 100% direct paid. As you can see here, some proof. Valentine, he got 100. Jenna is making money. Anil, congrats to you. Ange Peters, she's crushing it. Soren Ghosh, he's doing it too. Stephen Riley, 100 here. Another 100 day for Stephen Riley here. Online business model, woohoo. Congrats to you. Abdul, Mark, Ange again, Aziz, Valentine. This is the list infinity. Stephanie, Al, Big Al, congrats to you. Steve, that's me, $100 here. Another one for you, Jenna. Another one for me. So you see the system works at generating $100 commissions over and over again. So it's all possible. You can start at the 10, work your way up, right? After you get 10 sales, you can reinvest and upgrade to the pro, right? And then you can earn $10 up front and $100 instant commissions. On top of, I'm going to show you what else you can do with your pro membership, right? So anyway, that's what you get. Oh, let's scroll down and show you some further. That's just the proofs. So you also get those same, and like I said, it's a create your free account, and there'll be a link in the description box below. You also get high converting capture pages. And if you upgrade to a pro membership, you'll also get $582 worth of bonuses, which includes free Facebook traffic strategies, a 10K blueprint, TikTok marketing, YouTube authority, instant Instagram marketing, and also how to reprogram your mindset, because yes, your mindset is so important. And if you feel me, I'm on that mindset, you'll be clicking that link and joining Lead Pay so you can start generating those $10 commissions, especially if you've never earned a buck online. This is literally the easiest way to start generating commissions, because this gives you everything you need all in one platform, and it's easy step by step. In fact, you can do it in 3 steps. If you upgrade also to that pro, you also can qualify for a free vacation to anywhere of one of 125 exotics locations, right? And like I said, it's only 3 simple steps. You set up your system, you select the land page, and you start promoting. Now, if you upgrade to the pro membership, I still have my promotion where I give you 100 free clicks. List infinity. Let me look. List. List. I want to show you. I give you, because I think it's important. I think it's important that you start building your list, and most people don't know where to start. So what I do as a bonus, if you upgrade with me, I will give you 100 free clicks. I will get your first traffic going to your system. But like I said, you have to upgrade to the pro membership. And as you can see, this is one of my my bridge pages where I do offer that 100 free clicks, and also give you a different training, which is on top of the training that you already get for free. Okay. So anyway, I still have that bonus. So like I said, that's what you will get. But anyway, back to the point of what I was saying is, if you really want to start generating money online and making $10 over and over again, this is the platform. You can start with anything you want, any other opportunity that is going to try to sell you tools, that also try to make you do other things. But $10, the power of 10 is awesome, right? So that's all that I got. I think that's all I got. Let me jump back over here. I think that's all I got. On a free account, I showed you that. I showed you that. Yeah, that. Yeah. So offer a $10. You can $10. Offer $10 one time. You can start making $10 commissions over and over again by simply referring a free opportunity. But anyway, I'm kind of tired. I got off work. But anyway, that's all I got. If you got any questions, drop them in the comment box below. As always, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for hanging out, and I'm out.